We are getting a look at those 4,000 pages of exhibits compiled by the House Board of Managers. They were published to a Senate website where you can find all the public documents relating to the Ken Paxton impeachment trial. This is the website where the thousands of pages of evidence went public, broken up into 3 volumes. There is a log of the Uber rides Ken Paxton and Nate Paul allegedly took. Paxton is accused of using the alias to go visit his mistress at an apartment complex in Austin. There are text messages and emails, open records requests from the Office of the Attorney General to the Department of Public Safety for anything to do with Nate Paul, and transcripts of interviews, including interviews with former Travis County District Attorney Margaret Moore and her first assistant. Mindy Montfort was the first assistant district attorney from 2016 to 2021 and is now senior counsel for cold cases in the OAG. She told the interviewer that on May 8, 2020, Paxton arranged for Paul to meet with Montfort at a lunch where Montfort says Paul claimed the federal investigation into him was a conspiracy. Ultimately, Montfort says she and the district attorney didn't believe him. You're talking to the Attorney General of Texas. I don't think I felt comfortable saying this guy's nuts. You know, I think I did it in probably a very roundabout diplomatic way by suggesting let the federal investigation play itself out.
Well, he's way outside his lane at that point. So one of the things that the lawyers for the House are going to be able to argue in the Senate is that none of this is within the purview of the Attorney General's office.
According to Montfort, former District Attorney Moore worked with Paxton to hopefully bring back funding for the Public Integrity Unit, which had been defunded by Governor Rick Perry. But Moore told the interviewer that in 2020, she had her office write Paxton a letter saying if he thought there was wrongdoing against Paul, that his office should investigate, not hers.
But even if the Attorney General's office had criminal prosecution authority, it would be highly inappropriate for him to, try to buttonhole other law enforcement officials.
We are putting a link to that Senate website on our website, cbsaustin.com, so you can check out the evidence for yourself. Reporting at the Capitol, Adelia Uchida, CBS Austin News.
Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and get the latest news by downloading the CBS Austin News app.